Icebear Trifecta. This belongs to Mr. Brad. Mr. Brad, he's right here. Can't see his face, but he's right there. Brad, have you seen this thing run and drive? And couldn't get the seat locked. Found bad gas. The air filter was off the snorkel. Plus two is the opening right here. It's too big for it to come up on the carburetor and go anywhere, so we blocked off half of it. Alright, tightened up everything. Adjusted the valves. His intake valve was tight. Adjusted that to 004. Yeah, made sure everything was tight and right. Blew out the carburetor. Aired front and rear tires. Tightened fenders. Charged the battery up. Make sure the seat on this one, the pop the seat, just turn it backwards. Don't push it in, just turn it backwards. Okay. That's gonna pop it up. But they had this line going to the vacuum up here, petcock. It's too big. So, just got shutting off. Not allowing good vacuum. So we replaced that with a shorter one. And this is what we took off, where we covered up. So it come up on the throttle. Because it wouldn't even move with this thing. Blah, blah. Now, rip. So, also, we bring you full of gas, Was it full of gas? Brad, did they bring it with full of gas?
Just a little teeny bit of it.
Teeny bit of gas. Shit. Come over here and look at this gas. Just want you to know, you should get about 60 miles out of this tank and it's full.
Yeah.
That's where we bring it back.
All right.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, but if you ever experience this is a good, shut it right here. Flip up past your pegs, kind of going over the model a little bit. It's 150, so it's got GY6 150. Dash. Turn it on. Ignition does a few things. And then we'll start it up real quick. Should be idling right at 2,000. It does have now the carburetor. A little hitch. Fenders are nice on here. They're solid. Slight vibration. Double shocks. Another peg. Soft close. You don't want to keep doing this. You just want soft close. Nice cubby. Grocery bag hook. Small cubby for your cell phone. Shut right here. It says gas right here, but gas under the seat. Okay, so to get to that, just if you're gonna lock the column, turn it this way, push in, and then tweak the handlebars where you can find it. And that's gonna be it. Also too is you can do your shutter. I'm not gonna do it. I don't believe in those things. But there you go, just boom. If you're gonna unlock the seat, just turn it backwards. Okay, don't push it in. Just turn it backwards. Boom. Okay? So that's how you open the seat. And let's just look at these headlights and all. Housing, double housing here. Turn signal here. The other side too. High beam, low beam. It does have an emergency brake right here, so to activate that, which would be your rear, if you're on a hill or something, you pull in, push this down. You see what it did right there? But yeah, push it. If you want to release it, pull in, push that away. Okay. Front brake, kill switch here. Make sure you have it over here, and you pull the brake in when you hit the start button. Start button's not going to do anything until you pull a brake in. Left or right. Horn. I'll show you this. No horn. You got a little horn. And dash again. Battery. Battery's going to be under here. He's got 13 something volts. Make sure you charge that battery up. You probably get it. They're not going to have, it's not going to be fully charged. So we charge it overnight for him. Luckily, this is how we work. I mean, it's charge it back there. Anyways, all right, Brad, you happy?
Oh yeah.
You've been waiting for a while for this.
Yep.
How many people you call to get this checked out?
I called Pioneer quite a few times.
They weren't helpful.
Nope. They sure wasn't.
You called scooterstop.com.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Didn't have to wait long.
Nah. Nope.
Just had to get the money up.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
You get the money up, we'll come to you. We'll fix it for you. So I mean, we understand. They're just a seller of a bike. But when we sell bikes and deliver them, we know they run. We go over with the customer just like I just did. Brad understands more about this bike now than he's ever, because we just showed it to him. But yeah, 30. They say 30 pounds in the back. I put 24, and it's 33 pounds in the front. So I put 31. But yeah, anyways, he'll be happy with this thing. Let me just give it the gas. You know? All right, let's go, Brad. That's what it's for, right about right there. That's my boy. Brand new scooter. Icebear. 2023 model. This is what Trifect. Okay. Let's just look at this. Look at this air filter. Now, it's mounted there. The snorkel, when it gets air in, it's being covered. Okay. Look at that profile. Now, I don't know what's in here. Look how it's hooked up. Like, it's just sitting against it. It's not even in anything. Like, really? What's going on with that? What's even in there? That's not even cool. So, let's look at it. This bike came from some power sports place in Texas. He's getting it ran through. Scooter stop ready.